Hello, good morning dear students. So today is 9th of July and in the last class we have started integration by parts. So let us straight away go through the formula of integration by parts, and I also believe that you people have checked the previous video, right? Okay, so in integration by parts, when do we use it? We use integration by parts when there are more than two functions at the same time. For example, if I've taken out here, if u and v are two functions of x, then integration of u into v, remember that u into v, u and v are two different functions of x. Example, you can take u as sin x and v you can take log x. So integration of sin x into log x. So that would be the case, okay? So integration of u into v is given by u into integration of v dx minus integration, open a curly bracket, d dx of u into integration v dx, bracket close, dx. Now once again you look out here, u integration v dx, this is clear, minus integration, and then there is a curly bracket. Within this curly bracket you have to differentiate u, okay, into integration v, same, dx, integration, this is dx, the curly bracket close, and this dx is for this integration. So I hope you are clear with the formula. Please remember this formula, learn it, okay? Here u is called the first function and v is called the second function. Now in most of the questions there will be a problem to choose u and v, which to choose u, which function to choose v. So in order to make it things easy, to choose the first and the second function, that is u and v, what do we use is we use this help of this word ILATE, ILATE, where ILATE stands for inverse, I for inverse, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, T for trigonometrical, and E for exponential. Now within this ILATE word ILATE, whichever comes first, that is going to be u, and whichever comes second, that is going to be v. Okay, for the time being, remember this word ILATE and this formula, and when you proceed to the exercise, I'll tell you how to choose ILATE, u and v. Okay, so pause the video, note it down. Alright, let's start with exercise 8.11, question number 1, integrate. The question is integrate capital I, which is integration sign, capital I is equals to, which stands for integration, capital I is equals to integration x into e to the power x. Okay, as I said, there will be two functions, right? So here it is two functions, one is x, other one is e to the power x, and both of these are different types of functions. X is algebraic function, e is exponential function. Okay, now let us go to the word ILATE. In ILATE, now which functions I have? I have algebraic and then I have exponential. So you look at from the beginning, ILATE, which is coming first? Algebraic, and which is coming second? Which comes second out here is exponential. So hence my first function here will be x, which is u, and then second function will be e to the power x, which will be v. Are you clear with this ILATE? Just check, okay? Once you see the question, then just mark it which function it is. Here x is algebraic, e is exponential. Now you see out here ILATE, algebraic comes first, then exponential. So hence algebraic function will be u, exponential function will be v. So simple as that, okay? So therefore now, according to formula, the question is telling me to integrate. I cannot integrate it directly unless I use integration by parts. So hence, according to the formula, this is according to the formula. The formula says u integration v dx minus integration differentiation of u into integration v dx bracket dx, right? Okay, but according to question, what is my u? U is x, replace the value, okay? X integration e to the power x minus integration curly bracket open d dx of x into integration e to the power x dx. Okay, so now integration, you know, x integration of e to the power x is e to the power x minus integration sign differentiation within the curly bracket, integration and integration within the curly bracket, d dx of x is 1, integration of e to the power x is e to the power x, and then dx, and then this is same thing, minus integration e to the power x, and integration of e to the power x is e to the power x, and then finally plus c. Okay, so pause the video, note it down. So alright, so far so good. I hope you people are getting this integration by parts. Okay, so question number 2 part 1 now. Question number 2 part 1 is integration x e to the power x. Again, please list it out here. X into sec square x. X into sec square x. So x is algebraic function and sec square x is trigonometrical function. I hope you're clear with this. Algebraic, trigonometric. Now go to the word ILATE. Again, ILA. So algebraic comes first, T, trigonometrical comes second. So hence, x will be a U and sec square x will be a V. And the process is same. Use the formula. X, that is U, integration V dx minus integration, curly bracket open, integration of differentiation of U into integration V dx and then dx. Now this step is just the integration. You're clear? Integration of sec square x is tan x minus integration curly bracket d dx of x1 integration of sec square x tan x. So therefore this is x into tan x minus integration of tan x dx. So x tan x minus, we know different integration of tan x minus log cos x, so hence multiply, and this is the value. Pause the video, note it down. Alright, next one, we move to question number 3 part 1, a similar type of question. Alright, so integration x e to the power 2x, ILATE, x is algebraic, e to the power 2x is exponential, and again x is the first function. So the whole process is shown out here. Please go through the video, pause it and go to the video line by line. Here there is a continuation. Okay, I hope you're clear. Pause the video, note it down. Next one is question number 5. Question number 5 is integration x into log x. Again, use the word ILAT. So x is algebraic and L is logarithmic, right? X is algebraic and log means logarithmic. Okay, so use the word ILAT. So logarithmic comes first. So logarithmic comes first in the word ILATE. So hence log x will be my U and x will be my V. So according to integration by parts, it will be log x into integration x dx minus integration differentiation of log x integration x dx, which means U integration v dx minus integration differentiation of U into integration v dx. And write down integrating by parts. Okay, so log x square by 2 minus d dx of log x 1 by x into integration of x square by 2, x gets cancelled out, 1 by 2 is a constant, integration of 1 dx, this is same, 1 by 2 and integration of x means x square by 2, multiplied, you'll be getting x square by 4. So this is the final answer. Pause the video and note it down. Alright, question number 6 part 1 is very similar to question number 5 part 1. In question number 5 part 1 it was x log x. In question number 6 part 1 it is x square into log x. So again use the word ILATE. Log comes first, right? So hence log x will be U and x square is algebraic, comes later than logarithmic, right? So x square will be V. The formula is same, the process is same. Please go through it. Pause the video and note it down. Any confusion you can ask, okay? Alright, the last question for today is question number 6 part 2. The question is integration log x dx. That's it. Integration log x dx. Now see, there is only one function. If I see there is only one function out here and I don't have the direct formula of integration log x dx. So what will I do out here? Is that, but one thing I know is integration log x can also be written as integration log x into 1, right? Integration log x into 1 because 1 is my algebraic function. It is a number, algebraic function, okay? Log x into 1. So therefore use the word ILAT. Log comes first, so hence it is U. Algebraic comes later, so hence it is V. The rest of the thing is same. Use the formula, integrate it. Pause the video, note it down. Alright, so this is question number 6 part 1. Okay, so sorry, this was question number 6 part 2. Complete it. And then the assignments, question number 1 part 2, 2 part 2, 4 part 1, 5 part 2. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.